With Odoo Sales, you can configure different addresses for delivery and invoicing. This feature is needed because not everyone will have the same delivery location as the invoicing location. So you can activate this by going to configuration settings. There you can search for address. You can find that option, customer addresses. So if you enable this, you can select specific invoice and delivery address from sale order or quotation. Like here, without enabling this option, you can see from the quotation or sale order, we are not able to choose the delivery address or invoice address. But when you enable this, and save the settings, now if we create a sale order, here you can find fields invoice address and delivery address. So here you can choose a customer. So this customer, it can be a company or an individual with specific invoice and shipping address, which is already defined and registered in Odoo. So if it is a new customer, then you have to create and edit the contact form to add those addresses. So you can see for this customer deck audit, we already have defined invoice and delivery address. So Odoo have automatically added those addresses here inside the form. And if you want to change this, you can just simply directly do it from this quotation or sale order. You can choose a different address, like here I'm changing the invoice address of this customer. So if I confirm the sale order, and create invoice, you can view the invoice address is Azure Interior because we have changed the invoice address. And from sales module, you can also create or modify customers you want. That is, you can add details, you can modify, delete invoice and delivery addresses instantly there. So you can do that before creating a quotation. So here when you come under orders, you can find the customers menu, and when you click on that, you can view all the created customers. So if you want to modify the address of a customer, you can just simply click on that customer contact form, and here you can find the contacts and addresses. So here you can add more addresses or you can modify one. So you can find the contact address, invoice address, delivery address. So here, if you want to change it, you can simply do it from here. And after that, you can create a new quotation or sale order, and that will be reflected inside the form when you choose a customer. And you can also create a new customer from here. Just directly click on the create button. You can just add his name, choose a country, you can choose a state, you can add contact details. Here we can add the addresses. So you can see invoice and delivery address set inside the customer contact form is added here. And if you have any doubt in creating a new customer in Odoo 15, you can check the link above. So that's all for this video. And if you have any doubts related to this video, you can add your comments below.